Be over top of you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I saw him. He was shot at me. That was close.
I've got a shot.
I'll get a shot in there.
He does it again. I mean, he shot straight.
I saw a muzzle flash out of that room straight in front of us.
That's the suspect. I saw the gun outside of the room.
He shot right here.
He shot right at Real. I pulled the trigger.
Yes, I have cover.
When I shot, he fell to the ground.
Wait, yes, get behind that right there. Wait, you're in a bad spot.
That's a bad spot.
Get behind me, right here.
Which one is it?
It's the open door. Open door, second floor. Open door, second floor.
He's on the ground next to the red chair. When I shot, he fell.
Hey, you need to come out here now.
Hey, he's going that way.
We got one running. It's not suspect. He's just trying to get out of there. He's in the room. Okay, he's in the room. That's fine. Good.
Use my shoulder.
Okay, so listen. Jacob, you go second. Y'all know everybody stay behind Sarge. He's shield cover. Guys, we're gonna move up, okay? All right, on you,
Sarge, do not push left. If you push a direction, push right. Because I'll be aiming over your left shoulder, okay?
Okay, where?
Yeah, we're going for that pillar to the left. We're going left.
Okay, yeah, but are we
going up the stairwell?
Yes, but we're going left. Sarge, you keep your pistol pointed to the back of the shield.
No,
you got, okay, all right.
Ready? Go.
Yeah.
Slow it down, slow it down.
Slow down.
Let's take the stairwell then. It will be. Let's take the stairwell. We're gonna push back behind Talent. Okay. Sarge, on you. Let's go. Hey, set piece. Give me one set piece. Stay with the vehicle.
I'll stay right here. I got a rifle handle ready.
Got you. Hey, y'all hold here. We're moving up here. We're gonna team move up.
Hold your hands. No, I'm not here.
All right, Sarge. Up the stairwell.
Are we gonna?
What do you want? We got plenty of time.
We gotta start making announcements. We gotta start making announcements.
Hey, LD. Hey, we got a team. We're kind of close to the door. We got several bodies down, so we're trying to abstract down.
Let's move up to another pillar upstairs. Take cover. Call out from there.
You ready with me?
I'm moving with you.
All right. Ready? Move.
All right. Hey, I got to the left of the stairwell for whatever.
Josh, I'm above you. Okay.
Hey, don't have anybody at 33, 35, left 34.
All right.
Two on the ground. Two on the ground.
They are injured. They're dead. They are dead. The one to the right is the possible suspect.
Hold the air. We're
Hold the air. We're slow down. We got 2 down.
I'm gonna push past you and just take a pulse.
That's clear. They are around.
you see that open doorway?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any movement?
Let us push slowly up to it.
I need to stack up behind Sarge.
We got time.
Behind Sarge. Take cover.
They look down.
Watch that window. Cover that window.
Okay, I do not see a gun out here. He's possibly still inside.
Do you see
Down though. No, I do not see him from here.
You see a body down?
3335 Antoine's going to be restricted.
Okay.
Yeah, push. I got you. Down.
Down. What you see?
Let me get the door.
I got him.
In my back?
Where's the gun? Where's the gun? I don't see a gun.
That's okay.
You see a gun?
I don't.
Hey, anyone else in this room? Come out now with nothing in your hands. Anyone else in this room? Come out with nothing in your hands.
10.
Okay, we need to get him. We can't see his arm, so.
All right, I'm gonna go hands to secure those arms. Those are the threat.
Sarge, we're gonna push. Okay. Hold that up. You got that? Yeah, I don't see a gun. Cuff him up.
We're good. We're secure. Suspect's down. I'll push long. Houston police! Check for safety. Yeah. Top floor's done.
I did that pretty much.
Okay.
What room are y'all in? 214.
Y'all have IDs on you. We've just been working the witnesses right now. We have their DL numbers from the office, but they want phone numbers, obviously, and stuff like that. So.
What does it show?
Come behind you. Yes, sir. We appreciate y'all working with us.
That's a nice piece you got there.
Thank you, sir. How else can we start helping, Sarge?
Ready? Are you supposed to talk?
No.